Okay, we're installing the plastic now. So this isn't rocket science. Make sure all the holes line up. Put this cap on. Just to make sure you don't drop anything. Okay, you got the valve cover on. Go ahead and put all 6 nuts on the stud and you're gonna be good to go. Can't believe it's finally together again. Okay, with the engine all together, we can put the cabin air box back in. There we go. And it pops in. And there it is. Okay, you have 1, 2, 3, and 4 torque screws to pin down on this air box. Okay, we got some wires running under this air box. You got your main power. And just go ahead and tuck that in under that lip.
It's ignition.
And then you got your clip to pop those in. And keep it in there. All right, nice and clean.
And we got the oil breather. And it just snaps on.
Okay, we're putting the cabin air filter in now, and you'll notice the bottom of the filter has little keys on it. Those are gonna go face down. And you see it's shaped and contoured, so just follow the shape.
Okay.
And then the lid. And that one's an easy one. Push these in and twist. Okay, so go ahead and take that power wire and attach it to that main piece, then you can close that up. And then we're gonna put this cross brace in. All right, reconnect your battery now that you're all done working on the car.
Perfect.